Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open Honda CRV Key, only ways. First, remove the emergency key by sliding the release and pulling gently, then separate the two halves by inserting a flat plastic pry tool into the seam and twisting slowly, keeping pressure even to avoid cracking the plastic, and finally lift out the battery and internal components carefully while noting orientation for reassembly. Gather tools and take safety steps before you begin. Use a flat plastic pry tool and clean work surface, and keep a small tray for parts. Remove the emergency key first, then pry at the seam gently, applying even pressure. Keep track of the battery orientation and any foam pads or springs so you can reassemble the fob correctly without losing tiny pieces or damaging contacts. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a fantastic helper. Voice control and smart mapping mean less sweeping while you tinker, and its strong suction picks up metal shavings and dust with ease. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps closely for a successful opening. Remove the emergency key, then find the seam and insert your plastic pry tool, twisting slowly until the case pops open slightly. Work around the perimeter until the halves separate, then lift out the battery and electronics while noting their positions. Replace the battery or inspect contacts, then press the halves back together firmly and slide the emergency key back into place to finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.